Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. Your fellow compadre speaking, and today we'll be exploring a request. We are not invested in this stock, nor are we promoting that you should invest in this stock. We're not paid to say this, so please keep that in mind as we just go over the technical details. If you're just stopping in, welcome. We only don't cover any news here, just pure technical details in the markets. And thank you for the request if you sent it over. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel due to your engagement, your appropriate thumbs and comments. Thank you for that. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. Let's go ahead and explore this interesting stock. Before we get started, please, I have to say this. Execute your strategies, okay? Do not blindly listen to some guy who whispers on mics on YouTube, okay? I noticed a very interesting thumbnail, but this is probably the most risky stock that we have explored on this channel, okay? I'm going to get into more detail, so let's go and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's February the 22nd, 2021, and the current price of INPX, it's INPIXON, I'm not sure how to spell it or pronounce that. It's $1.69. It's down approximately 7.9% for the day, and let me just reiterate this again. This is a very risky play, okay? This is one of those plays where you actually have to set your limit orders and make sure that you have your limit orders set so that you can get out of the market, because I don't think you're going to be able to just kind of wake up and see it up and actually mark it out. What I'm doing right now is just kind of backing out to see if I can get an overall view of everything. Sheesh, I didn't even, wow, look at that. I'm still going up. This stock has been walking from heaven, just completely disrespecting. At this point, I don't even know what I'm looking at, guys. All right, so according to the trading view data here that I'm looking at, this stock was all the way up to, it says like $1.8 million. I don't know what this is, man. All right, so let's just get down into the technicals, and then the stock is all the way down to $1. So that doesn't mean that it's going to go to $1 million. I'm pretty sure it's been through like stock reverse splits and a couple other things. Remember, I don't look at the fundamentals. I don't know what this is. I know the thumbnail probably suggests like 770% or something like that. Don't just blindly buy this stock by the thumbnail, please. All right. So let's get into where it needs to stay above in order for it to actually play out. Let's see here. So I'll just throw a number. It's not a random number, I can assure you that. So as long as it can stay above this level here, and it may break down. Okay, so remember, the trend is your friend till the end. It's been going down forever. I just showed you it came from $1 million. It's just below $1 now. So yeah, you assess your risk tolerance, please, on this. Let's see, $1.61. If it can stay above $1.61, it's likely it will make another attempt to thrust to the upside. Okay, so to just kind of consolidate at that level and probably go up. So that is the only level for me, the line in the sand. Honestly, on this stock, typically I'll give you a time frame. I can't really give you, let me see what I can do on this. Maybe you can give a time frame. Let's just do something like that. I'll just say 231 days. Okay, so let's just measure out 231 days. I know this is extreme. I have to do that because this stock has been going down so long. I truly think that consolidation is of the essence. Like, it truly needs to consolidate before it makes its next move to the upside. So by the way, 231 days is October the 11th, 2021. So let's get that out of the way. I truly think that in order to prevent, look at this move. Let me just show you something. Let me just see if you can actually see this. You see this move here? Look at this red candle. To prevent something like this from happening, I truly think that the market needs time to mature, because every time a market tries to move up in a manner and very fast and it quickly gets rejected, that simply means that the market is not mature enough to advance to the higher levels. I know that sounds weird, guys, but remember, I just specialize in a story. I know what I'm looking at, but it is difficult for me to explain it at times. This gigantic red candle here on, let's see, January the 6th, 2020, when the market moved up very fast, it probably got a lot of people excited. The market went up 669% in a week. So just think about all the investors who are like, yeah, I just bought this stock. It went up like 600%. It's going to the moon. And they bought in and they got crushed. I'm talking crushed. Crushed isn't even the word. And the market went against them, and it's been just kind of falling, just kind of consolidating below $1 $1.61, and right now it's above $1.61. But just think of, like, the psychology or the psychology or whatever you say. I don't know how to say it. Just think of that when the market moved up so fast, it got a lot of people excited, and a lot of people typically buy into markets when they move up really fast, because I get messages all the time. Hey, this stock just went up 1,000%. Can you look at it for me, please, please, please? You know what I mean? So that's all I have for you, wonderful folks. You have the date that it needs to take place. I didn't even give you the price target. Can I give you that? Stop talking so much. All right, let's see. Let's just say it's like 168 you bought in, and the thumbnail probably suggests what is it, 777? I think I put on there. So that's going to be just under $14.75. Remember, don't expect to like mark it out. You're going to have to set your limits. And don't set it at that level. Just set it like just below. Don't try to like get it to the T. That's not how you make money in the markets. You set your limits so that you can get out into that liquidity as it goes up, right? So this way you're not chasing it, trying to scramble and hit the hit the sell button. So that's how I got the 777% up to the upside from the current or near the current level, assuming you bought it at about $1.68. So you have that price tag. Remember, set those limits just below. This is a very large sell wall. This is the most risky stock. I said it. I'll say it again. I repeat myself a lot. This is the most risky stock that I have ever posted on this channel. Do not invest in this stock an amount that you are willing to lose. This appears to me to be a beautiful day to enter or scale into this market. It's a beautiful down day, $1.69. I am not invested, nor do I plan on ever investing in this stock. Thank you for the request. Thank you for your time. We're going to go ahead and cut out here. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content or if you actually sent the request. Also, before you go, we cover the alternative markets. I'm not sure if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, but we actually take care of that throughout the week. So subscribe with us, and join us on our journey. We make some interesting calls. We'd love for you to join us, and welcome if you just stopped. And let me know you just subscribe so that I can personally welcome you into the chart. So let's cut it out here. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate, I said that already. Take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategies. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.